I don't have no axe. But still gonna make it, you know. Do what it do. What up, peoples? I know it's been a minute since I made a video. Seems like forever, but just a quick update. I'm around, man. You know, I got some goodies coming. I got some goodies now. I haven't even opened Banshee parts. I got my Banshee parts in. I ain't even opened that stuff up, but just a quick update. Got some switches that I'm putting on here. I've been so busy, man. I haven't even put this on. This is the for the low C. I bought this at Adrenaline. I haven't even put it on yet. I've been just busy, man. And okay, this way. All right, people, look, pay attention to this part number. All right, pay attention to that, because these are the exhaust gaskets that you're going to need, and I'll show y'all why you need these. These are very important. And that's this. For this is coming next week. I talked to the guy. He sent mine out already, so it'll be here next week. But John, you know about these. You know exactly what this is about right here, player. So, excuse me. But I'm in here changing out this switch. If you don't know about these switches, people, I'm gonna show you something. If you got these right here, don't even use these, people. Just don't use these. These are the ones with the you know, with the little flicker ricker. Don't even use these, man. Take these and just put them in the trash. Don't even use them. Get these power switches, because them flicker ones, they break on you. They kind of like get stuck in your car. Like, it'll stop running and everything. It's like, just don't even use them. But I get these ones here called Sky RC power switches. Let me see if I can get y'all part number. That's like the part number right there, I believe. But get this one, because this one has a low voltage cutoff, meaning if your voltage cuts off, if your voltage gets too low, it'll cut off. And that way you don't get to drain your battery so much. And, you know, you drain, especially the light poles, you drain them to a certain point, they won't charge back up. And you can see, you can read it, low voltage cutoff. So you want to get this one here, the Sky RC. This one here is another one here. This is another one that's from Expert. Don't get this one. This is the one I'm changing. I'm taking this one off. This one here will keep draining your battery, and it doesn't have low voltage cutoff. It'll give you the indicator that your battery's low, like it'll turn red, but it won't, like, even if there's no power on, it'll keep draining your battery. And if your battery's already low, it's going to drain it down too low. All right, so don't get that one. All right. So, people, another thing I got some more goodies too. I just got to open them up. I got this joint here, cheap. Look, I wanted this box. This the Offner. Unfortunately, they don't make this no more, but this was the best bump box. It came with the two. Let me see if I can open this up for y'all. Hold up. It came with the two 775 motors. And it's the best bump box, I'm telling you. And I wanted this, and I got it cheap. See what I mean? 775 motors. The guy even threw in these, now these is nightcap batteries. So I'm probably going to, like, take them out. You know, I don't think I'm going to use them, but. And it's in decent shape. I got another wheel coming. I got this joint cheap, and he was close to me. He was close by. I went and picked it up. It's in decent condition, but you see it's very adjustable. And I wanted this box because I'm going to show y'all something else, man. Oh, let me show y'all this real quick. So, y'all know the RC8 B3. I got to clean this filter up. Like, man, let me tell you, man, I've been so busy. I just cleaned my cars today. and they've been sitting dirty. Shame on me, but I've been so busy, man. I couldn't even get to doing any kind of RCing. But y'all see, I put this motor in there. I want to try this motor in this car, and tomorrow I'm supposed to be getting the CVAs. I'm taking these universals out. I'm putting the CVAs in. I'm gonna try that. See how that run. And I want to try this motor here. I just want to try it. But the one I'm pretty sure I'm going to run is that K301. And the K5 is over there. And I'm going to show you that's going in something else. So this thing, I got to do some work on it. But, oh, you know, let me show you this too. These the servos I recommend. These 1211s, Savoxes. I run these in everything. That, you can see I run them over there. They're very fast and they high voltage. They're very fast, very high voltage, and they got a lot of torque. I think they like 300 something, maybe 4 when using it with a LiPo, with a 2S. They're really good servos. I recommend these. Now, these here, these, hold up, Protex. These Protex 170 SBLs, these are great servos. I'm going to tell you, they are really good servos, but they're a little pricey. They like 160 each. But they got like 600 something torque. They fast as hell. Like everything. I've never had a problem with these. But I'm going to tell you, for throttle, they're a little overkill. So I'm taking this one out, the throttle one out. I'm going to put that in something else for steering. And I'm going to throw a 1211 in there for my throttle. Like, for throttle, they are definitely overkill. But steering, they great. Like, crazy torque. So, if you don't have high voltage servos, right, you can run these here. Let me show you these. These are called voltage regulators, right? Now, you can run these. This one here, I just put heat shrink on this one. I used to run these. I don't run these no more. But I used to run them. But this one's adjustable. This one you can adjust the voltage. Whereas though, if you don't have high voltage servos, you can run these. And this will turn down your power to like 6 volts or 6.6 volts. And it's adjustable. You can turn it all the way up. This one can take a lot of power. This one's set. This one's adjustable. The reason why I stopped running these, because one time, I used to keep them in the radio box, right? I was keeping them in the radio box. And, excuse me, they had overheated and I was racing. Overheated, cut off, and the car just went to idle and drifted. Boom. So I had no power, but the motor was still running. So, all right. So I said, okay, maybe that was just that one. So I tried another one. And this time I put it on the outside. So I'm racing again. Somebody hit me. Bow! And cracked it. And again, car comes to an idle. I'm done for the day. I had a few of these. I had a lot of these. These ones still work. But that's why I stopped running them damn things. So if you don't have high voltage servos, you can use them. Because I burnt out a servo, a throttle servo. And I'm going to show you a clip. Okay, and you can see the throttle servo had burnt out because it wasn't high voltage. Burnt out on me and locked up. And if it wasn't for that wall or whatever right there, that car would have been off to the races, gone. So now I only mess with high voltage servos that say high voltage. Now with some servos that can take it and do it, but I just don't even gamble with it because that was one of them servos that I gambled with and I crapped out with that. So, all right, I'm about to show y'all this. Oh, look at this. Now this was some Turco I had in there. Look at that oil. It had the nitro evaporated, but look at the oil that's left. I'm telling you people, that Turco is good fuel. I had some left in the tank. I had to drain out of the tank, but look at that oil. That Turco is good fuel. All right, people, let me show y'all this because I had this for at least a week now, man. I ain't even, opened it up. I want to show y'all. So I don't have no axe, but still gonna make it, you know. Do what it do. All right, people. Let's see what we're working with. Uh-oh, y'all see it. There it is. There it is. Let's see if I can get out the box one hand. All right, there it is. All right, people. If y'all don't know, that's the RC8T3, the Truggy. I wanted to get the Truggy, and you see it, RC8T3.1. It's the newest version. So I got a kit I gotta build, and I wanted to get this because I got my first race March 23rd. So I gotta get this together, get it dialed in, and that's why I needed the off the box for. And I'm gonna use that box for both the RC8B3 and the Truggy. And I'm gonna put this motor, that K5, up in that Truggy. People, I still got my Losies. Don't worry, my Losies still there. And I still love my Losies, but they gonna go straight bash mode. Like, I'm gonna use them straight bash. They getting the 28/8 and all that. The heavy diff oils in them. Because I still like the bash. I haven't done it in a while. So, you know, I'm going to do my bash thing. You know, that way I can get with some people. Let me get this knife. And I can bash, do my thing. All right, it's just a receipt. All right, so let's crack this thing open. I can find the knife. All right, there we go. All right, so we got some seals here. Show y'all what's going on in this thing. Bear with me, y'all. This is all one-handed. Yeah, it's all one-handed, so bear with me, people. All right, I tell you what. Let me do this, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Got that open. So, right up front, got that nice body. Not too bad. Not bad at all. I hate cutting bodies. I hate painting bodies. Man, I do. And I still got a body up there. I got to get that together, man. I ain't even painted that one yet. I don't even know what this is. Shocks. I don't even know what they're giving you there. 10K. What's that? 5K? Diff fluid. 5K. 10K. Shocks. Yeah. This just a bag of like shit. That's that chassis. And everything else in there. I'll open it up, but I can't do it one-handed. Plastics, air filter. See the wing. Well, I get to it in manual. Sticker kit, sticker sheet, masking sheet. All right, so that's basically it, people. I got some more goodies coming tomorrow, and I gotta do this Banshee too, man. I really gotta get this together because like I said, I got a race coming up March 23rd. That's my first one for the season, and I'm trying to run this and the RC8 B3. I need one day, man, just to get some tweaking in with that engine, with this motor. Man, I want to try this one out. I'm gonna see how this one run. If this ain't that great, then it's definitely the K3. But I think I'm gonna do the K3 anyway. Here's another power switch. This is what it look like. Sky RC. Get this, people. I'm telling you. Don't mess with those clicky things. All right, people. That's just an update, but I'm still around. It's your man. I'm still around. All right. So I got some more goodies coming tomorrow. I'll show y'all that. I got them axles coming tomorrow. I'm gonna put them in tomorrow. I'll show y'all that. You know what I mean? But I gotta start this kit, man. I really gotta get this. I gotta find some time to really sit down and do this. Seriously. And it's a nice body. I hate painting. All right, people. I'm gone. Peace.